celebrate a meaningful partnership and highlight the PCSO Lottery Draw program. My name is Jerome Sang and I'm so pleased to be your host today alongside with my stunning co-host over here, Miss Queen Semana.
Hi! Well, Jerome, you look ravishing as well. And you know what? I am so honored and thrilled to be part of this historic collaboration. But before we begin, let us first introduce our honorable members of the panel, starting off with the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office Assistant General Manager Attorney Lauro Patia. We also have IBC 13 President and CEO, Mr. Jimmy Policarpio. Also, President of DATV, President Jay Ruiz. We would like to also acknowledge our friends from the media who joined us today, our friends, our vloggers who went all the way here to join us for today. Welcome everybody!
And Queen, kanina pa natin sinasabi na sobrang espesyal ng araw na ito. Pero bakit nga ba ito espesyal?
Well, you know, today marks an exciting milestone kung saan nagsama-sama hindi lang ang PCSO, IBC 13 at DATV to bring not just entertainment to everybody, but of course opportunities to many and millions of Filipinos through the PCSO Lottery Draw program. How great is that?
And dun pa lang talagang espesyal na talaga ang event na to because talagang first time sa kasaysayan na hindi na ako makapaghintay, Queen.
I agree.
Kaya naman, to officially open our program, let us all stand up for the Philippine National Anthem.
Yeah, now speaking of trivia, I know everybody is very familiar now with PCSO, di ba? But, alam nyo ba na ang PCSO itinatag yan para makalikom ng pondo sa pamamagitan ng sweepstakes or yung tinatawag natin na loto. Sa paglipas ng taon or throughout the years, it has then become the top or the leading charity agency in the Philippines.
Tama ka dyan, Queen. Ang programang PCSO Lottery Draw ang daan para patuloy na magbigay ng suporta para sa kalusugan at kapakanan ng bawat Pilipino gaya ng iba't ibang charity works tulad ng Medical Assistance Program, Calamity Assistance, educational support, community health programs, at marami pang iba.
Totoo, sobrang dami. Indeed, PCSO's vision is simple yet meaningful to provide high quality of life to many Filipinos through sustainable funds from responsible gaming.
Tama, responsible gaming. Kaya nga, lagi nating sinasabi during our program, please play responsibly. And after so many years, for the first time, PCSO Lottery Draw moves to its new home, ang bagong tahanan nito, IBC 13! And through this partnership, makakatiyak ang ating mga manonood at mananaya na mas madali na nilang mapapanood ng live ang mga lotto draws, announcements, at updates mula sa PCSO.
Yes talaga sa IBC. Alam niyo naman na muling nagbabalik ang glory ng IBC hindi lang sa telebisyon, radyo, o maging online man yan. Kaya isa talaga magandang opportunity ito na pagsama-sama para mas malawak yung paghahatid natin ng serbisyong publiko para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong bansa, di ba?
Tama ka dyan, Queen. At syempre, hindi rin natin kalilimutan ang Digital 8 o DATV na isa rin sa magiging broadcast partner ng PCSO para sa mas mataas na kalidad at enjoyable na panonood ng Lotto. Palakpakan po natin ang Digital 8 o DATV.
Ito na nga, Jerome. Ang tanong naman, kailan nga ba ang airing ng PCSO at saan natin ito mapapanood?
Ito na nga, Queen. Alam natin na excited na ang lahat. Kaya para sa ating minamahal na mga viewers at bettors, huwag mag-alala dahil bago pa man matapos ang taon, pwedeng-pwede nyo na mapanood ng live ang PCSO Lottery Draw on December 31. At eto pa, Queen, hindi lang sa isang channel pwedeng mapanood ang paborito nating Lottery Draw program, kundi sa tatlong channels! Wow, di ba? Saan ka ba?
Diba? Tama ka dyan, Jerome. Simula December 31, tumutok na tayong lahat sa IBC on Channel 13.1 at the ATV on Channel 31.7 at syempre, pwede nyo na rin mapanood at mapakinggan ang programa ng live sa The One, 12:06 AM on Channel 13.3. Hindi lang yan pwede nyo na rin ito masubaybayan online through their website and social media sites. Napakarami.
Yes, at talagang mas pinalawak ang access at high quality na ang PCSO Lottery Draw.
That is right. Pero hindi lang dyan natin tatapusin yung araw na ito dahil ipapakilala naman natin ang mga tao sa likod ng ating programa.
Yes, Queen, we are honored to have our important people here with us today. We have first our Assistant General Manager, Attorney Lauro Pachago, PCSO. And of course, the IBC 13 President and CEO, Mr. Jimmy Policarpio. And lastly, the DATV President, Mr. Jay Ruiz. So now, let's hear their messages. Let's start off with the Assistant General Manager, Attorney Lauro Pachag of PCSO.
Hi, thank you. Good morning po sa ating lahat. Of course, on behalf of our General Manager, Mel Robles, I am the AGM for MSS and gaming of PCSO. And would like to, of course, acknowledge this new partnership between IBC 13 and PCSO. Because we believe that through the advanced technology of IBC 13, we would be able to reach the farthest areas of the country so that we can promote our gaming products as well as the charitable services of PCSO. So we are very positive that this will be a successful joint venture of IBC 13 through the leadership of Mr. Jimmy Policarpio and Mr. Jay Ruiz. So we thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Assistant General Manager Attorney Lauro Patiag. And now, let us hear it straight from the President and CEO of IBC 13, Mr. Jimmy Policarpio.
Thank you. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Isa pong karangalan ng makasama po ang namin kayong itong araw na ito. At kung saan ang batang cry ho namin ngayon, magsimula ng umaga is, let's play Lotto. So, with the IBC 13 in partnership with PCSO and DJ, we expect to bring you the best in equipment that we have right now. As you very well know, there is a lot that requires digitalization of all our stations, and we have started since last year adopting digital equipments for all our equipment. So, sa lahat po narito, sa lahat nakikinig, maraming salamat po. I'm turning over to Mr. Jay Ruiz, the President po ng Digital 8 Incorporated. And our partner po sa our joint venture.
Thank you very much, President Jimmy Policarpio. Thank you for joining us today, taking your time in this press conference between the joint venture agreement between PCSO and IBC 13. We hope, and on the part of DG8, we hope to come up with a more visualizing, energetic show. And of course, we will come up with more informative and educational in terms of giving showing the charity works of PCSO in the Lotto Draw. Starting December 31, we will be able to watch and broadcast. We will be broadcasting the shows, the Lotto Draws, 2, 5, and 9 p.m. Every day. It will be shown on IBC 13 and all its platforms, and of course, Digital 8 TV. We hope for your support, and sabi nga nila, sa bawat taya nyo sa Lotto, ay ito rin ay part ng process po nito ay sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Or the Q&A session. I know many